Hey all, welcome back to my channel. And if you are someone who is new to this channel, then you'll be finding a lot of nail content in this channel. And if you are someone who is interested in nail arts, press on nails, nail tutorials, then this channel is for you. So please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more of my videos. And today's video is gonna be one of my favorite videos. I have been waiting to do this video since I got the package unboxing of Beetles. So this is their spring kit. Like they have launched many gel polish kits for spring, and this particular one is Spring Anthology. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we begin, I will just show you my nail disc, and this is how it is for now. I'm in the process of completing these two sets. This one is very pretty. It has turned out very pretty, and for the first time ever, my 3D flowers are looking like flowers. So this is one thing. I'm in the process of completing it. I'm not happy with the result of this one, and I would probably change that. And I have to complete the same nail for the index finger. But I'm in love with the design. It is very subtle and it looks very good. And this one, the pinky, is my favorite in this set. Look how pretty it turned out. The chrome isolation was perfect, and I was using this Gaui's matte powder resist matte top coat for achieving the isolation chrome. So this is the packaging. It looks very pretty. I will say this even for 1,000 times more in this video. Like this is how it came, and once we open this, ta-da! It's so lovely. It comes with this watch card, a phone charm, and yeah, that's in this. And here we have the 20 gel polishes. All are pastel colors. Maybe I'll just show one. Look at the packaging. It's love. I love it. I think it's a cat eye shade. It comes with top coat, matte coat, and base coat. And okay, this is the swatch board. See how pretty this looks. I just want to open it now and put it right away, but I'm using my phone for recording, so I can't show you how it looks. It's very pretty. And these are the swatch buttons. Yep. So these were the contents in this, and one manual kind of thing. And also it comes with a magnet. It came inside this. I have used it already, so it comes with a magnet too. Let me just show you the swatches of the cat eye shades and shell thread shades. Okay, they have given some sticky tabs to paste it to the board. The first one is this purple. Wow, look at the color. It's a very nice green color. These cat eyes are having silver glitter particles. This is yellow, I guess. Yeah. It's kind of a goldish yellow color. So just to show the effect of the cat eye, maybe I'll use the magnet given with them. Given by them. So this is how it looks after 2 coats, and look at that cat eye effect, and this color in particular, it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna seal this with the top coat, and I'm just gonna put them in this swatch board. I'm just using the top coat which came with this kit. So the top coat is cured. Now I'm just gonna paste them here. I have swatched all the cat eye polishes, only one is remaining, which I'm just curing now. And next I'm gonna be swatching the shell thread. Look at the color. I'm not sure whether it's focusing. Wow, it's so good. It's very pretty to watch these colors, you know. These are having fine shimmer particles to them. When I apply, it looks like a cat eye, but these are not cat eye. Wow, it's such a nice lilac color. I can't wait to use them to create a nice spring set. This one looks like light of blue. Yep. Next one is like pink color. Yeah, the color range is so nice. You get 20 colors for $30 and 7.5 ml quantity. I think it's worth the price. Completed the swatches of the cat eye polishes and shell thread polishes, and look how pretty it is. The colors are like just awesome. Look at the shell thread effect. It's too good, and it's really worth the price. So yeah, that was my Beetles Spring Anthology unboxing video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.